Hello, Click Designers! This tutorial is going to show you how to master cosmetic mockups and templates with the help of packaging on ClickDesigns. So after you've logged into your account and are on your dashboard, simply go to the template section by clicking on that. The template section on ClickDesigns allows you to navigate different types of genres and styles of templates to choose from. From here, you can click on this arrow button to go to Packaging, and from Packaging, choose Cosmetics. Here, you can browse through different mockups and templates of pump bottles, spray bottles, cream tubes, cream jars, bottle droppers, and even deodorant. The 3D icon on certain templates indicate that you can edit these mockups in 3D, and this page icon over here on the corner indicate the number of pages that come with this design. For instance, this template has 3 different pages, which you can preview and view over here. Once you find a template you want to work with and have previewed all of the pages, you can edit this template by clicking on the Use Template button over here. Now we have the editor opened up. We have this rose toner mockup with 3 different pages over here on the side. You can view the pages underneath the Pages tab. You can see our first 2 pages have 2 different backgrounds, while our 3rd page is transparent. You can also customize the backgrounds of each page. You can move this image around, edit the photo, and you can also replace the background completely by going to the Backgrounds tab. To edit the design on your mockup, simply select the mockup and click on Edit Mockup over here up top. Here we have the layout of our template. We have all of these red lines to indicate the areas of our bottle, and we also have a preview over here up top. Every single element on this template is completely customizable, so I'm going to go ahead and make simple changes. You can also upload and add your very own template if you'd like, or even start from scratch. So to begin, I'm going to edit this background. I'm going to go to the Backgrounds tab over here. Once I find an image I like, I'm going to click on that, and that is automatically going to be set as our background. Going back, I'm going to click on Edit Image just to darken this background. I'm going to lower the brightness and lower the contrast. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to go ahead and recolor all of the text elements. I'm going to click on a text box and clicking the color icon over here up top. I'm going to use the color palette to recolor my font. And once my design is ready to go, I'm going to click on Done. And as you can see, our mockup was effectively updated with its changes. Now, if you'd like the same exact design to be updated across all of our pages, we can actually set this first mockup as our master mockup. Essentially, this means that any and all changes that we make on this mockup on the first page will effectively reflect on our 2nd and 3rd pages. To do this, simply right-click and choose Set as Master Mockup. Then you're going to go to the mockup on the 2nd page and click Link to Master Mockup. You will see the master mockup that you set. You can click on Link. So let's do the same thing with our 3rd page, and you'll be able to see your 3rd mockup automatically be updated with the master mockup, just like so. So now our mockup is consistent across all of its pages. So let's go back to our first page. Here you can also make additional changes to your mockup. As mentioned, any and all templates with the 3D icon allow you to edit the mockup in 3D. To do this, simply select your mockup and choose Edit in 3D. Here you can edit the 3D orientation and view of your mockup. You can do that by moving the slider over here on the bottom, or you can manually enable the slider controls over here on the side. You can adjust the zoom and the rotation across all angles. You can also edit the background. You can choose either a solid color, a gradient, an image, or even a video. You can also edit the material of the mockup itself. You can change the finish of how it's supposed to look like, as well as the light reflection, and even if you'd like to enable a shadow. You can also adjust the direction of that. Once you are done with your 3D view, simply click on Save 3D View over here on the side. Our rose toner now has a customizable 3D view. There you go, and once I'm happy with that, I can also actually share my mockup. So I'm going to select this mockup and I'm going to click on Share in 3D. And here you can again customize a background. You can add a solid color, image, or video, and you'll then be provided with a share link where you can share your mockup in its 3D view, and also an embed code where you can add your mockup to any site. If you'd like to take it a step further with your mockup and turn it into a video, you can select your mockup and click Mockup Video over here. Here you can customize the animation of your mockup, add a preview background, a solid color, image, or video, and you can download your mockup as a video by clicking on Download Video over here. As always, once you are happy with all of your changes, don't forget to click on Save. And when you go back to your ClickDesigns dashboard, you can actually view your recent design over here, as well as all of the other pages. So there you have it. That is everything that you need to know when it comes to the ClickDesigns cosmetic mockups and templates. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this tutorial was helpful.